Space travel is reaching a turning point, and artificial intelligence is taking the lead. From Mars rovers to moon missions, AI is already shaping every future space operation. NASA, SpaceX, and other agencies are now investing in smart systems to replace astronauts. These machines don't need air, sleep, or food, and can handle radiation better than humans. AI can process sensor data, avoid danger, and make decisions faster than any human team. The question is no longer if AI will go to space, but how soon it will go without us. Exploration, maintenance, construction, and research may soon be done entirely by machines. Could the next astronaut be a robot with algorithms instead of a brain and body? This video breaks down how AI is transforming space missions and what comes next for humans. Stay with us as we explore the rise of machine astronauts and the future of cosmic travel. 1. Why space needs artificial intelligence right now? Space missions involve massive amounts of data that AI can analyze in real time. From navigation to life support, AI handles complex systems faster than astronauts. Human crews face risks like radiation, delays, and oxygen shortages that AI avoids easily. Smart algorithms can run diagnostics, adjust routes, or fix problems with no hesitation. AI works non-stop without fatigue, making it perfect for long-duration space missions. With smarter tools, agencies reduce cost, increase safety, and boost mission efficiency. 2. Rovers and robots already exploring the solar system. Mars rovers like Perseverance use onboard AI to drive and avoid obstacles daily. These rovers map terrain, identify rocks, and send back science data automatically. Robotic arms and sensors help these machines collect samples without direct human control. On the Moon, NASA and private firms plan to deploy AI bots for mining and construction. Even satellites now use AI to detect anomalies and optimize their communication systems. AI is already deep in space, proving its power in real-world extraterrestrial missions. 3. How AI handles space hazards better than humans. Radiation and microgravity pose constant threats to human astronauts in space. AI systems have no DNA, organs, or blood, so they can endure harsh space conditions longer. With no need for air or water, robots take on high-risk tasks without risking human lives. AI detects micrometeorites, pressure loss, or system damage faster than a human crew. In emergencies, it can reroute power, seal leaks, or stabilize the craft without delay. These rapid responses make AI ideal for survival in the most dangerous environments. 4. SpaceX, NASA, and others building AI-first missions. SpaceX uses AI for real-time launch decisions, docking, and onboard navigation systems. NASA trains machine learning models to analyze planetary soil and climate patterns. The European Space Agency is investing in robotic explorers with advanced AI brains. Private space firms are developing autonomous cargo ships powered entirely by AI logic. China is experimenting with AI pilots for unmanned moon landings and deep space missions. Every major space player now sees AI as the foundation for safe and efficient exploration. 5. Lunar and Martian bases will rely on AI operations. Before humans land, AI robots will prep bases on the Moon and Mars with precision. Machines will build shelters, install solar panels, and deploy life support systems first. AI can 3D print structures using local materials while monitoring environmental conditions. Daily tasks like farming, cleaning, and maintenance will be automated by robotic systems. AI systems will coordinate power, water, and air supplies without needing constant input. Future space habitats will run smoothly with AI at the core of all essential operations. 6. Will AI replace human astronauts in future missions? Machines can already pilot, repair, and explore better in most deep space scenarios today. They are immune to space stress, need fewer resources, and work continuously without breaks. AI doesn't suffer from boredom or isolation, which affects human crews on long trips. While humans bring creativity, AI provides consistency, safety, and unmatched precision. We may see hybrid missions where AI leads and humans follow only when conditions are safe. Eventually, full AI missions could explore deep space while humans monitor from Earth. 7. How AI navigates deep space without human help. Space probes must act fast when signals take minutes or hours to reach Earth stations. AI enables autonomous decision-making in deep space with limited or no human guidance. Star trackers, inertial sensors, and real-time mapping help AI navigate the cosmos efficiently. When terrain or conditions change, AI adapts flight paths or rover routes instantly. Its ability to learn from past data improves performance with every mission it completes. Autonomous AI navigation makes distant planets and moons reachable without human pilots. 8. AI in scientific discovery and planetary research. AI scans and interprets geological, chemical, and atmospheric data in seconds per sample. It identifies patterns, anomalies, and potential life signs far faster than human researchers. On Mars, AI helps discover signs of ancient water and organic molecules in rock layers. Orbiting satellites with AI process climate data to model entire planets and storm systems. It reduces human error in calculations and provides real-time alerts for unexpected results. AI accelerates discovery timelines and turns exploration data into actionable insights fast. 9. Robotics and AI working together in space systems. AI controls robotic arms for repairs, assembly, and movement inside and outside spacecraft. Smart systems handle drones, drones handle tools, and both work in sync to complete tasks. Astronauts already use AI assistants on the ISS to monitor systems and run experiments. Upcoming missions will feature swarms of AI bots managing routine space station duties. Robots will clean, maintain, fix leaks, and even assist with medical checks automatically. With AI as the brain and robotics as the body, space systems will soon become self-managing. AI will coordinate multiple bots at once, reducing delays and increasing safety for all crew. Complex spacewalks may one day be fully performed by intelligent machines without human risk. The goal is a future where humans supervise while AI handles the hard labor of surviving in space. 10. The future of space travel with AI at the helm. AI will soon pilot interplanetary missions, explore deep space, and run off Earth colonies. It may build research bases on moons of Jupiter or explore asteroid belts without humans. AI-guided ships could harvest resources, scan exoplanets, and relay data back to Earth. Humans may stay in orbit while AI probes dive into risky alien environments for research. Eventually, Earth could monitor a network of AI explorers expanding human knowledge daily. This is not science fiction anymore. AI is about to become humanity's most valuable astronaut. AI systems can survive harsh radiation, extreme temperatures, and long isolation with no rest. These machines can self-repair, self-learn, and communicate instantly across vast distances. By the 2030s, we may rely more on AI explorers than astronauts to expand human presence in space. AI is not just helping space exploration, it is reshaping who goes to space and how they go. From building bases to analyzing alien worlds, machines are taking on every astronaut role. The shift from human-led to AI-first missions is already in motion across the globe today. With fewer risks and lower costs, space agencies will rely more on smart machines than ever. We are witnessing the birth of a new era where robots may boldly go where humans cannot. The future of space belongs to collaboration between human minds and artificial intelligence. Will humans become mission directors while AI becomes the new boots on alien ground? If this excites you, you are watching the next great leap in exploration right now unfold. Thanks for joining this breakdown on AI and space. The journey ahead will be unlike anything. Like the video, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and keep looking up to the stars with us.